welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Range Resources Corp, and the overall chart is very volatile because the moves are very big. I would say when I'm saying very big, it indeed is very big, and you can see from the lower end of the range, whenever the stock moves, it moves very fast, it moves very swift, it moves very high. So let us discuss about the next move of Range Resources Corp. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, as you have seen, this is the lowest end of the range and it is in between $1.70 and $1.31, right? Now, moving on, and we can see this is the middle part, and the stock right now is trading, and indeed trading. There is a range. So here we are. So this is a range in between which the stock is trading. I'll tell you that if the stock continues to sustain above $16, it's very good, which means it is giving you a confidence that the stock will move higher and retest its previous high. So the stock must continue to sustain above $16 for that. So $16, you can use it as your stop loss. Do not go below $16 on the downside because the nature of the stock is indeed very volatile. If it continues to sustain above $16, you have 19.54, which the stock has already crossed, which means 19.54 is going to be your immediate support. And the next target we have here is 24.8, or let's say $25 as your immediate target. So this is the range in between which the stock is trading. And if the stock does not fall below $16 and once it moves beyond $25, it will be a resumption of the trend, in which case we will be, or we are open for the highest end of the range, and there are a couple of targets to look at over there. Here we are. So if the stock, or once stock sustains above $25, the next couple of targets will be 32.62. You have a 49.17. You have 76.68. And the highest end of the range is $95. So the stock has made this level in the year 2014. So these are your next set of targets. Now the big question is what lies beyond $95. If the stock sustain above $95, then what will happen after that? So to answer this question, it's going to be a bit tricky. So just focus on this range, okay? The range in between 1.31 and 24.82. Okay, so this is the actual range, and beyond $25, it was a breakout that has happened, and it moved and sustained after the breakout, but eventually the stock falls into a correction, and a big correction, I would say, which means eventually this was a false breakout. Now, when the move happens again after $25, it will again be the same procedure, the breakout, but this time, if it sustains, because what we are going to do here, so after $25, because we have level still 95, so it's very easy to understand. But if you are looking for a big target, so if it sustains above $95, what we are going to do this time, anyways, we have levels or the moves which we have captured from the lowest end of the high or the highest end of the range towards the highest end of the range. It's giving me a 1300% worth of return. And if I replicate this 1300% even after the breakout, the big target which I'm looking for in the long term or beyond $95 or $96 will be $360 on the upside in the upcoming months and years. So this is how the trend looks like. So we have lot to cover on the upside if this stock trading or started trading or sustaining itself. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for